Okay. Hey Baht. This is Gary four-wheeling here. This is how much snow there is. I don't know how much snow, but there's a lot of snow. And I'm driving, and the whole roads are blocked with trees with snow. So this is what you get in America. There's so much snow that it just falls everywhere on the windshield. Hold on, I have to stop because I can't see. And hold on, now we have to get out. Yeah. Because the windshield's blocked. This is how much snow there is. It's beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And this is my Jeep. It's a crazy amount of snow. We're driving and it's all over the windshield, and it's just a day four-wheeling. This is the road, but the road's blocked by trees that are heavy with snow, so we have to go through. Anyhow, I will show you when I get home. Love you, bye.